Well, we open in the middle of April, and that has moved up from prior years because the vendors wanted the opportunity to sell their bedding plants and flowers early in the spring. And we have 4 farms here, 1 orchard. We have a couple of bakeries, some prepared food, ice cream and salsa, and just a wide variety of products within the market. You learn new tastes with the foods that you are able to sample here on a local basis, and it's very tasty and very fresh. Well, the farmers market provides a resource and an outlet for the farms, which some of them have roadside stands, but this gives them a much more extended reach within the state of Virginia and surrounding states and communities. And it provides a consistent resource as people get used to the farms, get used to the additional products and enjoy them. They come back over and over into the markets. This is just the beginning of our market. This is our first opening week. We will operate through the end of October, and we look forward to having you all come out and enjoy the farmers market through the summer and the fall and enjoy the great products that are available.